Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App not sending code. So it's actually pretty easy to solve this one, so let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check if you are actually getting coverage on your mobile setting or the current network that you're currently connected. So make sure that you're actually receiving SMS. Like for example, maybe try texting from another device and check if you're properly receiving in that specific device there. So if you could actually receive messages directly on your device that you're currently using for Cash App, then the problem isn't not in your device. There's issues on Cash App itself. So from there, you just need to contact support for this one. So for you to contact support, you just need to tap the profile icon on the Cash App home screen, select support, select the start a chat, and from there, you just need to send a message informing them that you aren't able to actually receive any codes from Cash App, and from there, you should need to have a conversation with them, see and how you could actually solve this one. So if you can't actually contact support via the application itself, you can actually call the following numbers. So don't worry, this number is actually directly from their website itself, which is Cash Data App. And from here, you could call the following numbers, which is 1-800-969-1940. You could actually search this up as well online if you want to, but remember that you should only get the number from trusted website, because sometimes there are scam websites out there that you need to be worried about. So here you could actually contact them in other platforms as well. So you have Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, Reddit, and Facebook. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.